My name's Rob Adkison. I'm the operating partner with County Line Campers. I'm from Long Beach. I've been living on the coast since 2006. So we moved here actually right after Katrina, right around Katrina. In my free time, I actually I like water. You know, grew up around this area or lived here most of my adult life. My kids have grown up here, so we like to be on the water. We like to fish. We like to do water sports. We like to camp actually too, which oddly enough, I own a camper. So I like to spend my free time with family in the camper, and my wife, Destiny, actually helps do a lot of the social media stuff here. Depends on what day you ask me. It's a great question. So some days I may come in and may just stumble upon a fifth wheel that's a front living that has opposing front slides in the front, so you have like a full living room area with a fireplace, and I may think about that. Some days I may walk in a Lance, which is a smaller, lighter weight, but has higher quality features into it. So I guess it depends on what kind of mood I'm in. I like them all. Every day I walk into one that comes in from the factory and it's a new model. It's like a kid in a candy store. There's always new things with these campers. The people. I love my employees. I love coming in and watching them grow and develop and mature as employees and people, and hearing their story and their background. Also, I really like dealing with the customers. Every customer has a unique situation, unique background. Families coming in with children. That's really cool to me. So what's different for me in this industry as opposed to selling cars or something, we're creating memories with family that are going out, and these children will grow up with a lifetime of memories. I remember going to a campground in the summertime with their family. So that's what's really cool to me. That's another thing. So on the way to work today, I'm actually on a classic country kick. So I actually listened to some Waylon Jennings and some Hank Jr. on the way in. But I will say, on the way home, I'll probably listen to some hard rock. So I guess unique to me and Destiny is a couple years ago, we really took an attachment to bunny rescuing bunnies. We actually had our first bunny a couple of years ago. Didn't realize how personable they are as pets, and we just got attached to them, and it's grown into now rescuing bunnies, stray bunnies that are being dumped outside by people that just don't want to take care of them, because they are a lot of responsibility, and they live a long time, and it's not fair. So we have really partnered with a lot of people to help find these bunnies homes and give them the lives they deserve. So that is something unique to me. Great question. I would actually rather spend a weekend in the woods, actually in a camper, not in a tent. Camping's not for me. I'd like to spend a weekend in the woods in a camper. Favorite movie, I actually am a big fan of Christopher Nolan. So the Batman movies he did, my favorite piece of his was Inception. I'm a big fan of Leo DiCaprio. That movie was awesome. Bunnies. And yes, we have 5 right now. Me, no, but my wife, yes. So she does enough selfies for the both of us.